Application number 1, FreeBSD. FreeBSD is a long-standing Unix-like operating system known for its reliability, high performance, and simplicity, particularly in server and enterprise environments. It runs on a monolithic kernel, supports the powerful ZFS file system, and includes jails for lightweight, secure virtualization, making it a top choice for networking and storage infrastructure. FreeBSD uses a classic ports and packages system with a broad software library and extensive documentation. While it offers great flexibility, it provides less automation than newer Linux-based systems. System configuration relies on traditional config files spread across the OS, giving users granular control but often requiring more manual effort. Praised for its consistent performance, some users report up to 25% faster speeds in certain workloads compared to Linux alternatives like NixOS. Although it lacks native support for atomic rollbacks and can be less accommodating for complex, highly customized workflows, FreeBSD is celebrated for offering a stable and efficient experience once properly configured. Application number 2. NixOS is a modern Linux distribution that uses a unique declarative approach to configuration, powered by the Nix Package Manager. It manages the entire system, packages, services, and settings, through a single configuration file, ensuring reproducibility and robust version control. Core features include atomic system upgrades and rollbacks, allowing users to revert to a previous state with ease, which is especially useful for developers and technical users. NixOS is popular with DevOps professionals, software developers, and users who regularly build and test custom environments, although it comes with a steeper learning curve. Its focus on flexibility and experimentation makes it excellent for advanced use cases, but traditional server setups or uncommon hardware may require additional effort. Which should you choose? Go with FreeBSD if you prioritize stability, proven performance on servers, simplicity, and traditional system management. It's a great fit for sysadmins, enterprises, and anyone needing a solid, low-maintenance platform. Choose NixOS if you prefer a cutting-edge approach to system management with declarative configs, built-in rollback capabilities, and high customizability, ideal for developers and power users who work with experimental or complex setups. Both operating systems are fully open source, legally compliant, and safe to showcase in YouTube content. The best choice depends on your priorities: FreeBSD for performance and maturity, or NixOS for innovation and flexibility.